Section 4, Personal Health History Part 1. In this section, you will be collecting the applicant's personal health history. Please read each question aloud to the applicant and select the correct response. Anytime you hit yes, there are drill down or reflexive questions which require you to provide additional details for the insurance carrier. So for example, if the client has a history of diabetes, you will select yes. Additional questions regarding that specific condition will appear. A window will open for additional information in regards to the specific condition for diabetes. Please provide the information below. Here you can add the treatment or medication prescribed. You may add additional medication or treatments by clicking Add Another. If you accidentally clicked Add Another, simply click Delete and the item will disappear. Continue on with the questions regarding this condition. Here, you can add a doctor's information related to this condition. You have the option of selecting the physician that was previously entered into Paramed, or you can add a new physician. Again, if the applicant isn't sure of the physician's address or phone number, you can use one of the directory links below. Once you've added in the doctor's information, you can move on with the next questions. Once you have completed this portion of the questionnaire, you can select Add and Close. You will notice that your details and response to each condition are populated below, which is helpful if you need to refer or verify information. Continue on with the personal health history questionnaire by reading the questions aloud. All questions must be completed in order to submit Paramed. So if you miss a question, it's okay. The system will notify you by highlighting the incomplete question in yellow. You can click OK to move on to the next section or come back to this question, or you can click Cancel and respond immediately. As a reminder, you can use the Section tab to navigate forwards and backwards through the sections within the interview. By clicking Next, you are saving all your responses. Section 5, Personal Health History Part 2. In this section, you will again be asking the applicant personal health history questions. Anytime you hit yes, there are drill down or reflexive questions which require you to provide additional details for the insurance carrier. You can add doctor's information related to the condition. You have the option of selecting the physician that was previously entered or add a new physician. Continue on with the questions related to this condition. Click Add and Close once you've completed the section. Once you've completed the section for that condition, you can move on to the next questions. To add additional medications, select Yes to this question, and you can add the medications to the form. Click Add and Close once you've completed the section. Again, the information that you provided for each condition will be listed below. Click Next to move to the next section. Again, if you miss a section, it will provide a yellow highlighted portion. Section 6, Personal Health History, Part 3. Once again, please read these questions aloud and select the appropriate answer. Click Next to proceed. Section 7, HIV Consent Form. Please turn your computer over to the applicant and have them read the HIV testing and consent form. The applicant does have the option of sending the lab results to the healthcare provider. The applicant can opt into this by selecting and clicking the small square to the right. They can select a physician from the current list, or they can add a new. After reading the consent form, the applicant will click the small square to the right and click Next to proceed.